Hello student, are you ready? I am going to teach you circumference of circle. It is a length of boundary of a circle. Circumference of a circle upon diameter of a circle always equal to the pi. So therefore circumference of circle equal to pi into diameter of circle, pi into d denoted for diameter, pi into 2r, 2 pi r. Area of circle, the space enclosed by the boundary of circle known as area. Area of circle equal to pi r square. Now come on, question 1. The sum of the circumference and the diameter of circle is 116 centimeter. Find its radius. Circumference of circle plus diameter means 2 pi r circumference plus diameter d equal to 116 centimeter. This is given question. 2 pi r diameter equal to 2 times of the radius. Therefore 2 pi r plus 2 r equal to 116 centimeter. 2 r are taken common. Pi plus 1, 2 r, pi value 22 by 7 plus 1 equal to 116. 2 r into 22 plus 7 upon 7 equal to 116, or 2 r into 29 by 7 equal to 116, or 29 to the 58, r equal to 116 into 7, r equal to 58 to the 116 into 7. Therefore radius of a circle 14 centimeter. This is the first question. Now given a second question. A square inscribed in circle of radius 7 centimeter. Find area of square. Diagonal of square equal to 2 root 2, where a the side of square. Diagonal of square equal to diameter of circle. Therefore a root 2 equal to 2 times of radius, because diameter of circle equal to 2 times of radius. Therefore a root 2 equal to 10 to 7. 7 is a radius of centimeter. A equal to 14 upon root 2, 7 root 2 centimeter. Therefore area of square equal to side square, a square, 7 root 2 whole square equal to 98 centimeter square. Third, a wheel has diameter 84 centimeter. Find how many complete revolution must it make to cover a distance 3.168 kilometer. Cover distance 3.168 kilometer. Solution: distance is given in kilometer, 3.168 kilometer. Convert in meter, multiplied by 1000, 3168 meter. This is in centimeter. Circumference of circle pi d, pi 22 by 7 into d means 84. This is value of d. After solving we will get this 264 centimeter. Number of revolution capital N equal to distance upon circumference of circle. Therefore 3,16,800 upon 264, that is a 1200 revolution. Now come on the fourth question. Find the area of ring shaped area of ring shaped region enclosed by enclosed between two concentric circle of radii 20 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Area A equal to pi r2 square minus pi r1 square. This is a r2. R2 R1. Therefore pi r2 square minus r1 square. Therefore pi r2 plus r1, r2 minus r1. Therefore 22 by 7, 20 plus 15 and 20 minus 15. 22 by 7 into 35 into 5, 550 centimeter square. Question 5. The radii of two circles of two circle are in ratio 3:8 if the difference between their areas is 2695 pi centimeter square. Find the area of smaller circle. Find the area of smaller circle. Solution 5. Let r1 equal to 3x and r2 equal to 8x. The difference between their areas means pi r2 square minus pi r1 square equal to 2695 pi. Pi taking common, r2 square minus r1 square 2695 pi. Pi cancel. Here r2 means 8x square minus 3x square equal to 2695. That you can say 64x square minus 9x square equal to 2695 or 55x square equal to 2695 or x square equal to 2695 divided by 55 x square equal to 49. Therefore x equal to plus minus 7, x equal to 7. The R1 equal to 3 into 7, 21 centimeter. Area of smaller circle. Area of smaller circle pi R1 square 22 by 7 into 21 square, 22 into 21 into 21 by 7 is 60 into 21, that will be equal to 61386 centimeter square. Now all of you complete these given question. C all question 20C and 20D, which is related to the different formula of this chapter.